여러분 안녕하세요. 차라쌤입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Welcome to 50 Lessons with Chela Sam, Korean lessons. And ngayon, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo ngongo ang aking boses. I'm actually not feeling well today, pero fight lang para sa ating vlog. Ayan. And today, we will have our quiz. So, magka-quiz tayo. Kasi naka-lesson 1 to 15 na tayo. So, we will just have a fresh refreshment dun sa mga lessons natin. Kasi mahirap yung naaral mo na siya, diba? Pero dahil medyo matagal-tagal mo na siya huling naaral, so nakalimutan na. This time, it is our chance para ma-refresh kung ano yung mga napag-aralan natin. Okay! And ngayon naman, this will be a 50 items lesson. So, 50 items lesson siya. So, I will still use yung mahiwagang whiteboard ko na picture frame para i-show sa inyo kung ano yung mga test natin. So, first 20 natin will be about vocabularies. So, yung first 1 to 20 natin, we will review yung mga vocabularies na natutunan ninyo. Okay? So, again, pasensya na kung medyo ngongo. Please bear with me. Ayan. Let us start. Ito na. Instant 1 to 20. So, ito ang ating mga vocabularies. So, let's start. Number 1. So, 1 to 3, kailangan mo ilagay yung Korean words. Okay, Korean words ng given natin na English word, which is yung number 1, this thing. This thing. Number 2, that thing. Okay, and then number 3, that thing over there. So, number 1, this thing, yung malapit sa'yo. Pangalawa, that thing, malayo sa'yo, pero malapit sa kausap mo. Then, pangatlo naman, that thing over there, it means, malayo sa inyo pareho ng kausap mo. So, how to say that? 1, 2, 3. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Then, number 4 onwards, actually 4 to 15 are nouns. So, ito yung mga nouns na nadaanan natin over our lessons. So, fourth word is mul. Mul. So, what is mul in English? So, dahil Korean words yung given natin, of course, kailangan natin isulat yung English word. Okay, so, number 4, mul. Mul. Number 5, we have 가방. 가방. Okay na ba? Number 6, check. 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 So, what is check? Number 7, favorite. Copy. 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 Then, number 8, cha. Cha. So, pagkakaalala ko na-mention ko sa inyo yung dalawang pwedeng meaning ng word na cha in Korean. Cha. So, for mul, kabang, check, copy, cha. Number 9, moja. 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 Number 10, gudu. 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 What is gudu? Number 11, pege. Pege. So, what is pege? 12, we have kung. kung, kung. Number 13, bihengi, bihengi, bihengi. 14, uyu, uyu, uyu. 15, chopshi, chopshi, chopshi. Again, saan tayo nataas kanina? 9. Modu, mali. Moja, moja, gudu. Pinagsama ko yung moja at saka gudu. Moja, gudu, pege, kung, bihengi, uyu, and chopshi. So those are for the nouns. This time naman, let's go to the verbs. Number 16, kada, kada, kada. What is kada? 17, mokta, mokta. So what is mokta? 18, poda, poda. What is poda? Then 19, kidarida, kidarida, kidarida. Number 20, hada, hada, hada. 21, tada, tada, tada. What is tada? 22, terida, terida, terida. Number 23, utta, utta, utta. Number 24, poida, poida, poida. So what is poida? 25, sada, sada, sada. 26, mabilis ba tayo masyado or carry lang? 26, 공부하다, 공부하다. 27, 일하다, 일하다, 일하다. 28, 노래하다, 노래하다, 노래하다. 29, 생각하다, 생각하다, 생각하다. Then 30, 사랑하다. Naku, alam na alam nyo to. 사랑하다, 사랑하다. Again, 21, kada, 17, mokta, 18, poda, 19, kidarida, 20, ano yan? Hada, 21, chada, 22, terida, 23, utta, 24, poida, 25, sada, 26, kumbuhada, 27, irada, 28, norehada, 29, sengakhada, and 30, saranghada. Next part of the test is conjugation. So I have here 4 words na kailangan nyo i-conjugate to its present, past, and future tense. Present, past, and future tense. So the words we have for 31 to 33 is utta, 34 to 36, poda, 37 to 39, kidarida, and then, number na? Yan. 40 to 42, meron tayong kada. You may start now. Fighting! And if you're done, yan, punta na tayo sa next part. So, kung pinapanood mo to ngayon at hindi ka pa natapos, and nung pinanood mo siya, naka-replay naman na, you can just click the pause button para mag-stop muna yung video and masagutan mo siya if hindi ka pa tapos mag-answer. Okay? Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa numbers. So for the next part, this is 65, 65. So what you're going to do is to say these numbers or write down these numbers using Sino-Korean. Sino-Korean number. Sino-Korean, what are Sino-Koreans? Nimayni ilisam sa urip chilpal kuship. So you may start now. 49 to 50 o 55, ang gagamitin naman natin ay native Korean number. Native Korean number. So, 49 to 55. And then you can see below, meron tayong translation practice. So, yung 56 to 57, fill in the blanks. So, meron siyang English translation there. So, alam niyo na kung ano yung ilalagay dito or ano yung nawawalang word. And then, from 58 to 60, yan, kindly write down how to say these sentences in Korean. Okay? So, ayan na siya. Para isang tinginan na lang. Kung nagtataka kayo anong number yan, that's 59. Baka lang malabo. So again, if you're watching this one na hindi naman naka-premiere, pwede mong i-click yung pause button para makapag-answer ka muna. Then play mo na lang tapos ka na mag-answer. And for the last set of our exam, 61, yan. So provide the missing location marking particle. Anong dapat location marker nandyan? 시장 blank kalkoyeyo. And then yung 62, 도서관. 도서관 is library. 도서관 blank 공부하고 있어요. So if you're new with this 공부하고 있어요, yan, just don't be bothered muna kung ano meaning yan kasi aralin din naman natin yan in the future. But here, it's just studying. Okay. And then, 63, translation ulit. I did not clean yesterday. So here, ang pinaka-pinopoint lang naman natin dito is for us to use the yesterday na topic natin, yung word na yon, and then yung negative sentence, did not clean. 64, so from Seoul to Busan. From Seoul to Busan. So how to say this? Then from morning till evening. Then 66 din, may nawawalang adverb of degree. So ano yon? Blank ang musoyo. Blank ang musoyo. It's not scary at all. Hindi pa natapos. Ayan. And then, 67, with my mom. With my mom. So, how to say with my mom? So, ang ilalagay natin dito is mga conjunctions. And then, 68 naman, bread and milk. Bread and milk. Bread and milk. So, how to say that? And 69, this and this. This and this. then 70. Yan. So, nakalagay dyan, object marking particle. So, sa dami ng mga particles na inaral natin, madalas nagkakalito-lito na kung alin doon yung object, yung topic, yung subject. Yan. So, sa dami ng particles na yon, ano yung object marking particle? So, lagyan na natin ng clue. Iyon ba ay si nun, un? Ayun ba ay i and ka? O ayun ba ay ril and ul? Yun ba ay e or eso? So, alin ang object marking particle? Okay, now I'm giving you time to answer these questions. And again, if you're not watching this naman sa live premiere nito, pwede mo naman siyang i-pause muna para masagutan mo yung questions. Okay, let's answer. Checking time! So first, this is ego. Ego, kugo, ego, kugo, and then dito na lang siya. Chogo, chogo, ego, kugo, chogo. Mul is water. Habang, bag. Check, book. 7, very obvious, copy, copy. And then, cha, so it could mean car or tea. Then, mota, hat or cap. Kudu, shoes. Pero more on stiletto shoes siya. And then, peke, pillow. Kung, ball. Number 13, airplane. Uyu. Mali pala yung spelling dito. Uyu. Naging yuyu. This is uyu. So, uyu is milk. Then 15, chopshi. Chopshi, plate. Then kada. Kada, nasa verbs na tayo ngayon. So, kada means to go. Mokta, to eat. Boda, to see. Kidarida, to wait. Hada, to do. Tada, to sleep. Terida, to hit. Utta, to smile or to laugh, pwede din. 보이다, to be seen. So, passive form siya ni 보다. Then, 사다, to buy. 공부하다, to study. 일하다, to work. 노래하다, to sing. 생각하다, to think. And then, 사랑하다, of course, to love. So, that's the first part, our vocab quiz. So, kamusta? Ilan ang score mo? So, conjugations, utta will become usoyo. Hindi yung utoyo, guys. Yung iba yun na po-pronounce kapag nilagyan na ng oyo. So, diba, first sound applies kapag may kasunod na vowel, yung consonant. So, usoyo, usosoyo, and then, future tense, us을 거예요. 쓸 거예요. 기보다 will become 와요. 와요. So, nagiging isa na lang si po and sa ayo. 와요. 왔어요. Then, hindi siya 볼 거예요, Instead, this is 볼 거예요. 거예요. Next, 기다리다. What will happen dito? So, from 기다리 plus oyo, siya yung naging yo. 기다려요. Past tense, 기다렸어요. Future tense, 기다릴 거예요. 기다릴 거예요. 가다, very easy. 가요, 갔어요, and 갈 거예요. Now, punta na tayo sa numbers. So, for the numbers, this is Sino-Korean. 65 is Yuk Shibu. 65. 203. Ang 100 is Bek. So, dahil 2 ito, Ibek. And 30 is Samship. Ibek Samship. 230. And then, what is 1,000? 1,000 is Chon. So, dahil 1 naman siya, 1,000. Excuse me. Hindi natin kailangan maglagay ng ng il. Para maging il-chon. Kasi chon na siya. 1,000 na siya. 1,700. 700 is Chilbek. And then 84. Palshipsa. So, 1,784 is Chonchilbek Palshipsa. Okay, 10,000. 10,000 is Man. And then 300 is Sambek. Sambek. And then 100,000 na. So, ang gagawin natin, di ba? We will divide it into 4. So, ang gagawin natin, we will remove the first 4 digits. So, naiwan is 19. 19 is Shipku. And then Man. Shipkuman. And we will add 4,000. Sachon. 500 is 500. And 38 is 38. Yan. So, medyo hindi na lang maayos yung spacing ko. Pero i-space nyo na lang yung per place value. And then, million. So, anong ginagawa natin pag million? Ganun din. Yan. So, 524 yung natira. That is, 524 is i-ship then we add man. So, 500 i-ship sa man. Then, 5,000. 8,000. Then 876 is 칠십육. And here are the answers for 49 to 60. So, first, 59 in native Korean number is 신나호. And then 26, 26. 27, 82, 82. 94, ahonnet. 15, 15. And then 67, 예순일곱. And then 120 is 스물. But may back dyan. Kasi diba ang native Korean number is hanggang 99 lang. And if we want, kailan ba natin kailangan na native Korean number yung gagamitin? For example, when we are counting things, diba? Especially when we will attach the counter ge, diba? Ang gagamitin dapat natin doon is native Korean number. But what if yung binibilang mong item is more than 100, diba? So that is when we will borrow the Sino Korean number for 100, and then the remaining digits or yung digits na natitira from 1 to 99 na nasa dulo, that's when we will use the native Korean number. So, combination sila. Okay, so nandun yan sa explanation natin. Right? And 56. So, there's milk. There's a milk. So, uyu 있어요. Then, there's no water. 물 없어요. Opposite of 있어요. 없어요. And translation sa baba, I want to eat. 먹고 싶어요. Okay, and I want to sleep. 자고 싶어요. And I want to drink 1 can of soda. So, soda, di ba ang format natin is noun first, number, ilan daw? Isa. So, han. Instead of hana, do instead of tul, naging sign na talaga. Say instead of set, and then ne instead of net. Or here, we will just use, hindi natin gagamitin yung counter na, hindi natin gagamitin yung word na can mismo, but we will just use the counter for can, which is yung chan. And then, 마시고 싶어요. I want to drink 1 can of soda. For number 61, that is 시장에 갈 거예요. Bakit hindi siya naging eso, wherein meron namang action na kada, diba, to go? Remember, the first rule ni or the second rule ni is when you are stating a direction where you are heading toward, kung saan ka papunta or kung saan ka nanggaling to that place, so we will use a. So here, 시장에 papunta ng 시장. 시장에 갈 거예요. Then 62, 도서관에서. So why eso na yung ginamit natin dito? It's because merong action na 공부하고 있어요. Nag-aaral. Merong action na ginagawa dun sa location. That's why we use eso. And then 63, I did not clean yesterday. So yesterday is 어제, and then to clean is 청소하다. To make it into its negative form, which is did not. Diba? So, paghiwalayin yung noun and yung verb part. Fart? Verb part. Yan. Utot lang. Yan. So, verb na part niya, which is yung hada. So, sa gitna ni Chongso at ni hada, doon nandun ang an. So, an 했어요 dahil past tense na siya. So, 어제 청소안 했어요. 안 했어요. I did not clean yesterday. And then, next is 64 from Seoul to Busan. So, 서울에서, so here sa ESO, hindi siya location marking particle na may nangyayari, kundi instead, it is a location pa rin naman na nagmamark where nanggaling. Okay, so, 서울에서 부산까지. 서울에서 부산까지. And then next, from morning till evening. So since this is time-related expression na, so we will use 부터 instead of 에서. So we have 아침부터 저녁까지. 아침부터 저녁까지. And then, it's not scary at all. Not at all is 전혀. 전혀. Okay, 전혀 안 무서워요. And then, 67, with my mom. So we said last time that with can be expressed using 하고 and 이랑. So here, 엄마랑, dahil ang 엄마 is natapos naman siya sa vowel. So 엄마랑, or pwede rin namang 엄마하고. So which one yung answer mo dito sa dalawang ito? And then next, 68, bread and milk. Bread and milk. Bread is pang. And then, we use irang. Pangirang, uyu. Or pwede rin namang panghago, uyu. So, last time may nagtanong, hindi daw ba wa or gwa yung pwede natin gamitin? Pwede naman, but however, yung wa and gwa kasi, mas more on ginagamit siya sa sa mga written. Like for example, title. Title ng kanta. So, title ng libro, ganon. Yung parang yung Hansel and Gretel, ganong mga title. And then, mas kasi siya, mas poetic siya pakinggan. So, hindi siya yung pang everyday use talaga. Though, it is, tama naman, di ba? But, colloquially speaking, yung natural na Korean, di ba? So, we will use irang or hago to make it sound, parang hindi naman tayo magtunog libro. And then, number na natin, 69, this and this. So, sina, igo, hago, igo, igorang, igo. And then, location, object marking particles are ul and rul. Nakuha mo iba ito. So, overall, we have 70 pala. 70 items for our quiz. So, how was it? Kamusta naman ang iyong quiz? So, that is the short summary ng lesson 1 to 15 natin. So, if hindi nyo pa na kompleto or meron pa kayo mga na-miss na lessons sa lesson 1 to 15, you can always go back naman. Naka-playlist, naka-link sa baba yung playlist natin for that lessons. Okay? So, kita-kita tayo sa lesson 16. That's all. Don't forget to click subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Ay, ganda yun. May bago na tayo action. Click subscribe and like. Like? Paano naging like yan? Basta like yan. Sige na. Bye-bye guys. 안녕히 가세요. Bye-bye.